Morning YouTubers, OkFixer here. Changed my name on my YouTube to my, because I've had that on my eBay for a long time, The Fixer. So I thought OK as in Oklahoma, or OK as in, hey, OK, Fixer. So anyways, I'm shooting this on my iPhone because the dedicated phone has Eagle Scout stuff on it. I'm up zero dark early, and I'm going to take these heads in the midst of my rounds that I'm going to go do today. I'm going to take these heads down to the machine shop and have them press new guides in them and put new valves in them. I did that before, knowing that I have to take this engine out. Those cylinder heads are fit to those cylinders. That is, they're spun in those cylinders. So since brother Brian's going to give me another engine, we're just going to start with some fresh cylinder heads. These have the original bores for the spark plugs. They are not cracked. The seats need to be ground, and I'm going to have them press new guides in it as well as all the new parts I got. And I thought I would order them on Rock Auto and see what I got. And so here's what I got from Rock Auto. I ordered the Melling valves because they were a USA made brand. Nah, made in Brazil, Brasilia. So Brazil on the intake and exhaust. These guides here, when they come in these packets like this is Brazilian stuff. And tops, these are probably Brazilian as well. I doubt that they're Chinese. Let's see what else we got. I think we got one part, more guides, and I got keepers. The sealed power, they're actually made in the USA. So there's that. Springs, don't even know. I'm guessing Brazilian because they just came in a bag. So I've got all the parts to put this together, but I'm going to have a machine shop clean them up and put them together. Also, on these cylinder heads, my studs are much nicer. So I think going back in with that engine, I'm going to put some new cylinder heads on it. That'd probably be a good idea. So that's where I'm at now. All right, let's go get these taken down. There, that's better. So I was looking through this guy's place. I dropped off my heads. He's got inside that building just a stack of cranks, and he's just grinding cranks. Just stacks of stuff out here. Here's some big blocks. Uh-oh, there's a big block. Yep, big block. Oh, can you see it? Can you see it? High perf pass. Yeah, baby, 4 bolts. Look at this one I seen. Look at this. Ooh, 409, 409. Yeah, okay, well, I'm out of here. He said a week or two. All right, great. Sorry I had made a mistake. It should be She's Real Fine My 348. No respecting 409 would have a 2-barrel carburetor on it, see? But big block nonetheless. Well, there you are, ladies and gentlemen, all finished. Looks pretty nice. This one over here is missing this. We'll have to fix that. It's a little air dam. We'll have to get one of those. Shouldn't be a problem. You can find one. I think I have a set of dual ports that have that on there. I can swipe that off of there because I'm not using it. Original cylinder heads, all the studs are good, all the holes are good, the threads to the spark plugs are good, and now I have new valves, new springs, new keepers, new caps, and new guides. See the brown guides in there, and then also he ground the seats, and so this one's ate up a little bit here, but it's not where the ring set, so it'll be okay. And the studs are so much better. Now, turnaround time on these, how long did it take? I didn't push them, and it took a month.
So plan that, because stuff takes a long time sometimes, especially when they're busy. And in the dead of summer, they're busy. This is going to be a PSA. I'm going to try to be as gentle and as non-abrasive as I can, because if you're in the slightest bit controversial towards someone on YouTube, they get butt hurt really easy, and you get all kinds of negative feedback. I watched a video of someone pounding on his valves with a hammer. I knit you snot, ladies and gentlemen. That person did that. Instead of buying a new valve or new valves, they kind of straightened their old ones and then put them in that machine. Did a really nice job on the rest of the machine, it looked like. But deep in the bowels of that machine is a valve that's been pounded on with a hammer. Valves, I know you're not going to believe this, ladies and gentlemen, but valves are cut to thousandths of an inch. Okay? The guides in the valve, thousandths of an inch. The face, all that, it's very precise. If you have a bent valve, get another one or have another one made or whatever. As a PSA, please do not pound on your valves with a hammer, okay? Thank you.